Captain update. Ito yung mga video ng Captain. Pagdating nila just na iya sa airport. Going to Dubai ang Captain para sa meet and greet at special screening ni Lola Abigail. Ito yung interview ng Captain.
Welcome back and goodbye again.
Hello again, goodbye again.
Where are you guys going?
Dubai for our last leg ng international promo for very excited.
Last na?
Relax na raw yun.
Ano nasa isip mo?
I'm happy actually. It's done. And lahat naman ng nangyayari ngayon kasi parang grabe na si schedule. Parang natawan ko bumibigay na pero we're starting to see our kababayan in Dubai. And parang nasa last stretch na kami. Tuloy ang laban.
We're very, of course, happy and of course, accomplished with all the achievements and recognitions. Lagi kaming magpapaulit-ulit ng pasasalamat sa kanila. Because if not for the people here in the Philippines and of course all over the world, binigay nilang support for the Philippines, hindi naman mangyayari lahat ng ito.
Right.
Grateful.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. And this is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya!